The digital marketing landscape is always changing, and it can be tough to keep up with the latest trends and technologies. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Because in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 most amazing websites for every beginner digital marketer, from your social media tools to your content management softwares to sites that helps you get ahead of your competitors and all of that. So without wasting any more of our time, let's begin with the video. At number 5, we have Pexels. The images you use in your marketing or in whatever you do says a lot about your business, your company, or you personally. So since everyone does not have a skilled photographer or an artist to produce unique images, so many people use stock photos and videos to fill in the needs. Obviously, you should only utilize the best stock images, but many small businesses and freelance creative professionals cannot afford the prices paid by some of the top websites. So you eagerly seek out the possibility of using a free stock photo. So this is where I believe Pexels solves the problem. Pexels is a stock photo website that allows you to get high quality videos and royalty-free stock photos for users all over the world. Pexels license allows users to view and use every picture and every video on their site for free without attribution, and they offer top-notch pictures for creators and marketers on a tight budget without charging any amount for their membership or per image cost. For photographers and digital artists wishing to establish a portfolio and a name for themselves, it's also a great website that allows you to publish your works on Pexels, and so customers can have access to those images. And as a Pexel user, you get to help the contributors by using their pictures, which obviously in turn helps you to get the best pictures for free. And next on our list, we have Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is a video editor with strong capabilities for creating interesting social media content. You can use it on your browser, and it's provided that you have a reliable internet connection because it's a cloud-based software. Lumen 5 is basically for companies with social media marketing teams, but it also has the intention for individual creators, and this might be helpful for independent content producers. And you can pretty much do anything with the videos using Lumen 5. So you can drag and drop images and videos from any storage device, such as your external hard drive. So there's a 5 minutes limit on Lumen 5 videos. Even while it restricts some creators, this is not disastrous. For social media marketing campaigns, such a maximum video duration will suffice. So you can edit segments of the Lumen 5 video with their video cutter to the ideal length, and your video can be resized precisely to whatever proportion you want, and you can quickly minimize the file size for your work without affecting the quality. So let's sign up and get started with a free account and see how it works. So now that we're on the dashboard, I'm going to show you how you can quickly turn a blog post into a video with Lumen 5. Now that you've seen how you can easily make YouTube videos in minutes with this tool completely for free, so let's move on to the next tool on our list. Next, we have CoSchedule. CoSchedule is a project management tool made specifically for marketers. It is much more than just a straightforward content scheduler or a calendar, despite the name rather being deceptive. It offers a lot of tools that can assist you with resolving various marketing issues, as well as being used in varieties of scenarios. Anyone searching for softwares to organize and arrange multiple marketing campaigns as swiftly and effective as possible can benefit greatly from using this tool. The permalink technology that CoSchedule uses enables you to compose blog posts, schedule it, and develop a full social media marketing campaign in one sitting. Your social media campaign will run after the post is up without further action from you. You can plan a successful campaign with CoSchedule social campaign and social template capabilities, including the social share, email, and blog posts. But as you can see, there's a lot you can do with CoSchedule, and let us not forget their famous headline analyzer. So give this tool a try. And so if you've been enjoying this video so far, and if it has been helpful, do smash the like button so you can push this video to more people who are in need of videos like this. And also leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Now let's continue with the video. And next on our list, we have Sender.net. Sender.net can come up in your search for the top most affordable email marketing service that you can get because the program is well priced and excellent for email marketers. Additionally, the email marketing service is very user-friendly and furnished with all the tools and features required to generate, automate, and send emails to targets. So Sender.net has a simple UI that makes it very simple to use. The tool provides a ready-made email template and a good email delivery rate. You can either utilize the pre-made templates or make your own using the drag and drop feature. So the number of email contacts you can add will determine how much you pay, not the number of emails you can send. So you can deliver up to 15,000 emails for free every month using their email marketing tool on their free plan. However, the tool only supports a few integrations. Sender.net has some great qualities like automations, email campaigns, ready-made templates, live customer care, subscriber segmentation, email scheduling, auto response, sign-up forms, and spam checking. So everything you need as an email marketer in an email marketing tool has been covered for you on Sender.net for a very cheap price. Lastly, we have Tailwind. Tailwind is an amazing Instagram and Pinterest marketing set for professional digital marketers. You can use it to increase your audience, schedule pins, and find new content. Tailwind is a mix of a social media scheduling tool and a graphic design software. This software allows you to quickly generate social media content and publish or schedule it for later. I know everyone knows of how great their scheduler is, but their design tool is greatly underrated because Tailwind Create is one of the best tools on their website. Tailwind Create might be the ideal partner for you if you lack design talent but need to develop posts for Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook. Now, if you have no editing experience, it can take you a lot of time and even hours to finish your design. Or on the other hand, depending on your needs, you can either utilize a specialized tool or engage with someone that can handle it, and this would raise your cost of creating content significantly. And now this is where Tailwind comes in, because with Tailwind Create you get all the necessary resources for you to use to create amazing graphic designs and posts, because Tailwind will generate a variety of original designs for you, and from there customization is possible. The color, the typography are both changeable and editable by you. So thank you for watching this video from start to finish, and I hope you found something new in this video that is of great value to you. And if you did, please do hit the like button, and it's a way of pushing this video to more people like you who are in need of videos like this, and it's also a way to support the growth of this channel. Please hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell to get more updates on my video. So this is the first video for the year 2023, and I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you did, then you can also check out my other video on the 5 mind-blowing websites for small content creators. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.